Trying to log in to WhatsApp web but don't want to scan the QR code? Here's the important truth. WhatsApp web officially requires QR code verification for security reasons. It's designed to protect your account and prevent unauthorized access. However, there are a few alternative methods you can use depending on your situation. In today's video, I'll explain how to log into WhatsApp web without a QR code and what are the alternative ways to do that. Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Steph, and in this channel, I teach you quick daily tech tips that make your life a little easier. On your WhatsApp, tap on Settings. Tap on Link Devices. Tap on Link a Device. Here you can see the scan with a QR code. If you don't want to log in with a QR code, tap on Link with phone number instead. On your computer, open a web browser and go to web.whatsapp.com. Then click on Login with phone number. Enter your phone number and click on Next. You will see a code that appears here. Enter this on your phone and your web WhatsApp will be connected and your chats will be loaded. There you go. If you found today's video useful, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to help this channel grow. Thank you so much. Until the next video, I'm Steph. Take care and bye bye.